Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to hide a chat on Viber. Maybe you have a private conversation that you want to keep away from others, or you simply want to organize your chat list. So today I'm going to show you how to hide a chat on Viber. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your Viber application and log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to the main chat screen. On this page, locate the chat that you want to hide. For example, I will hide this conversation, so long press on the chat. This will bring up a menu with various options. In this menu, since you wanted to hide this conversation, simply tap on this Hide Chat option. After that, a menu will pop up where you are asked to make your chat PIN code. Simply tap on this Set PIN option. Here, enter the PIN that you want. Next, re-enter your PIN code to confirm it. After that, the PIN is now set successfully. The chat will now be hidden from your main chat screen and move to the hidden chats section. It will no longer be visible in your regular chat list. To access your hidden chats, simply type in your PIN code in this search box. And after that, you can now see all of your hidden chats below. There you go. If you wanted to know how to hide a chat on Viber, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to hide a chat on Viber, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.